Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome back to another video. Here I have these cute simple flowers that I made, and they are so cute. They are great to embellish cards and gift tags, and we are going to make it one together. And to make these flowers, here I have 2 flowers templates. I traced this 2 times on a piece of cardstock, and I traced this one time in a piece of cardstock. And here it is. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to mark the middle of the flower with the wooden dowel, as you can see right here. And I'm going to cut in between the petals to look like this one. So here I have my foam pad. I'm going to lay down my flower right here. And with the wooden dowel, I am going to just press the middle. It's going to be a little hard to find the middle in here. But if it is not exactly in the middle, just keep doing this until it's in the middle. Okay, so there you go. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my small scissors to cut in between the petals. So there you go. That's why I mark with the wooden dowel, so I know exactly where I need to stop. So it's right here. Then I'm gonna flip it this way. As I just cut in between the petals, so now I have space in between each petals. And now with the flower shape tool, I'm just gonna give texture to each petal of the flower. And I'm doing just this, back and forth. And then roll in the middle. And I'm going to keep doing this with all the petals. So back and forth. And roll in the middle. Now with the stick, I'm going to place the stick in the middle of the petal, and I'm going to fold this petal up like this, and then I'll flip the flower this other side, and this one I will fold it down. So see, one petal it's fold up, the other petal it's fold down, and this next petal I will fold up, and the next one I will fold down, and the next one I will fold up. And there you go. Now just give a little pinch and use the flower tool again and do this. And now it's done. I just have to put the flower together. And I have right here the other 2 pieces. So I only need 2 of the big size and 1 of the medium size. And now I'm going to add a glue right here. So I'm going to place this one like this. And now I'm going to glue this other one. And my wooden dowel is the same size as the rhinestone. So I'm going to flat the middle of the flower. And as I flat the middle of my flower with the wooden dowel, so now I can glue the rhinestone. And the flower, it's all done, and look at how cute it is. And I didn't have to use a paper punch because I don't have a paper punch for this size of flowers. And these are so cute. perfect for cards and gift tags and for my gift boxes too. I hope this video inspires you to make these cute flowers, and if you do make it, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram page. You can check it out, the link for my Instagram page in the description down below. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!